How to remove steering wheel airbag on Hyundai Santa Fe, 2007 to 2010, in 4 easy steps. Required tools: 10mm socket, T40 Torx, a thin and flat blade screwdriver. Step 1. Disconnect the negative terminal from the car battery using a 10mm socket and wait at least 10 to 15 minutes before removing the airbag. Step 2. Loosen the 2 bolts on the left and right side of the steering wheel using a T40 Torx. Step 3. Gently pull the airbag outwards and disconnect the wire. Step 4. Disconnect the connector from the airbag using a thin blade screwdriver. First, take the yellow part out and then carefully pull the connector outwards. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.